Hello everyone, welcome to Sage Group. I am Praveen Katia, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department from SIRT Excellence. Now we are talking the subject of building construction and the topic is types of component and its function. Now we are talking the building components and their functions. First one is foundation. It transmits the load coming from the superstructure onto the subsoil below it. Plinth. It protects the building from rainwater, damp and moisture, insect and transmit the load of superstructure to the foundation. Wall. Provide to enclose or to divide the floor space into a room as per requirement and also provide a privacy, security and the protections against sun, rain, etc. Next one is column. Transmit the load coming from the beams on the subsoil below it. Sill. Support a window frame at a bottom. Door. Provide access into the room, offer privacy of sight and sound. Window. Opening made in wall for providing a light and ventilation. Ventilator. Small opening made in wall provided at the lintel level for removal of exhaust air or foul smell. Roof of and slab. It is uppermost part of a building to cover the space below and protect it from sun, wind, rain and snow. Beam means by which all load of slab are transferred to vertical support of a building. Next one is lintel. Support the weight of the wall above the opening of door, window and ventilator. Stair means of vertical transportation between the floor, provide access between the various floor. Next one is floor. Provide a plane surface and support the occupant, furniture, fixture and equipment of a building. Watershed are of chhajjas. Generally combined with lintel to protect door, window or ventilator from sun, rain, wind, etc. Last one is parapet. Act on a protective solid balustrade for the users. Next slide is building component and their nominal dimension. Now foundation. Foundation is a shallow foundation. Depth is greater than 2t plus 30. Width is 2t plus 30. T is the wall thickness. The foundation of depth is 10 to 30 meter. Width as per design. Plinth. Height above ground 30, 40, 60, 75 or maximum 90. Wall. Load bearing wall 30, 40, 20, 30 and 40 centimeter. Partition wall is 10 centimeter. Column may be square 20 into 20 centimeter, 30 into 30 centimeter. Rectangle is 20 into 30 centimeter. Circular footing as per design. Sill height 70, 80, 90 centimeter above the floor. Door. Width is 0.80 minimum, 0.90, 1.0, 1.20 height as per design. Window width is 0.60, 0.70, 0.90, 1 to 1.20 meter. Height is 1.20 meter. Ventilator height is width 0.60, 0.70, 0.19, 1.00, 1.20 meter. Height is 0.20 or 0.30 meter. Roof slab, the slab thickness is 10, 12, 15 or 18 centimeter. Now the beam is depth 30, 45 and 60 centimeter. Wall thickness or 30, 45 and 60 centimeter. Lintel length is width of door, window opening plus minimum 10 centimeter bearing off on both ends. Width is thickness of wall. Stair. Tread is 25 centimeter to 30 centimeter. Riser 115 to 20 centimeter. Width of stair minimum 1.0 meter. Floor may be a ground floor is equal to plinth height. Upper floor is equal to a slab thickness. Watershed. Tapered in shape of front 7 to 10 centimeter at lintel is equal to height of lintel equal to 10 to 15 centimeter. Parapet is a height 1.0 meter, 1.10, 1.20, 1.30 meter approx as per design of width 10, 20 or 30 centimeter. Now thank you so much.